go. Pull.
That's better.
Pull.
Pull. Pull.
Good, good.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the high. No. Pull. Alright, I think we need to lower that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard to find points like this.
Yeah, no, that's not working. You might be right. Your bottom hole might be his middle hole.
Hold on a second.
We're only going like 10 yards.
Yeah. It's catching air and stopping.
Where'd all my shells go, Jack? Where a barrel one?
Pull. What?
There you go. You have that on?
That one might be a little far that way.
Okay. Pull.
Yeah, maybe. You might win this time, Jack.
Doubt it. Pull.
Pull.
What'd you do? Give her some spring?
Yeah. About another 6 turns.
Alright, now you're talking.
Pull.
It doesn't look like it's shooting this far. What that black one was? I don't know.
Each one he buys different.
That's true.
It hasn't broken in yet.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
These are funny. I keep hitting them.
Pull.
Huh.